There's a couple things you should know before you get this leather repair patch kit. I'm going to let you know all the features, answer some questions, and then I'm going to use it on one of my couches to show you how it works, and so you can decide if it's something that'll work for you. So first of all, this kit comes in multiple colors, so you can match whatever furniture it is you need to fix, whether it's a couch, a sofa, a chair, even in your car. It comes with 8.3 by 11 patches that are adhesive, so you can pull the back off, and you just cut them to the size that you need. Now, to me, it feels like leather. My couch is smooth, and this has a smooth texture. You can also get different grain textures to match your furniture. But it feels leathery. It's nice and thick, which I like, and we'll see how it works. I'm a pet owner, and my dogs love my couch. It's basically the dog couch now, but that comes with a cost in that I noticed a rip in the leather, and that's why I purchased this, to give it a try. Now, what material does it work on? It works on leather, vinyl, upholstery, car seats, recliners, massage chairs, motorcycle seats, office chairs, couches. So how do you apply it? Well, you make sure the area that you're applying it to is clean. You peel off the backing. You can cut to the size that you want. You peel off the backing, and you just firmly press it, hold it for a little while, and that's it. Is it waterproof? Yes, it's fully waterproof, so that should not affect it sticking. Once it's stuck, it'll stay stuck. All right, so with that, let's go give it a try. Here's the couch, and here's the offender, Ollie. And you can see here is the area that this beast ripped into my couch. So I'm just going to give it a good thorough wipe down. All right, so I'm going to cut a piece to size. Doesn't need to be too big. That seems right. Now we'll just peel the adhesive backing. And we'll press this down. Now the color doesn't match perfectly, but I don't really care at this point. We're going to get a new couch. Okay. And there we go. I could have done better with the color matching, but at least it's protected now.